Welcome Homepedia fans. Welcome to our immersive video tour showcasing the exquisite beauty and thoughtful design of a small Mediterranean house with a veranda. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of its strategic layout, centered around parallel corridors, seamlessly connecting the front and back gardens, enhancing flow and accessibility at every turn. Nestled amidst the undulating hills and verdant greenery, this small Mediterranean house stands as a testament to architectural beauty and timeless design principles. From the moment you set eyes on it, you're enveloped in an aura of charm and elegance that captivates the soul. The inviting veranda, adorned with delicate vines and bathed in the warm glow of the Mediterranean sun, beckons you to step closer and explore its hidden treasures. As you cross the threshold and step inside, you're greeted by a strategic layout that seamlessly blends form and function. Every corner of the house has been meticulously planned to maximize space and utility while preserving the aesthetic integrity of the design. Parallel corridors wind their way through the heart of the home, guiding you on a journey of discovery and delight. The living spaces unfold before you with effortless grace, each room a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. From the cozy living room with its inviting fireplace to the airy kitchen bathed in natural light, every detail has been carefully considered to create a sense of harmony and balance. The strategic placement of windows and doors allows for ample ventilation and views of the surrounding landscape, blurring the boundaries between inside and out. But perhaps the most enchanting feature of this Mediterranean marvel is its seamless integration with nature. The front and back gardens are not merely separate entities but extensions of the living space, inviting you to wander and explore at your leisure. Meandering pathways lead you through lush greenery and fragrant blooms, while secluded corners offer moments of solitude and reflection. This thoughtful approach to design not only enhances the flow of the house but also fosters a deep connection with the natural world. As you stroll through the garden, the gentle rustle of leaves and the scent of flowers mingle with the sounds and smells of home, creating a symphony of sensations that soothe the soul. In this small Mediterranean house, beauty and functionality coexist in perfect harmony, creating a sanctuary where tranquility reigns supreme. So come, immerse yourself in its timeless charm and discover the true meaning of home. Achieving such a meticulously crafted design necessitates a meticulous approach that considers every aspect of the space, from its architectural layout to the finer details of interior decor. From the moment you embark on this design journey, it becomes apparent that each decision, no matter how seemingly insignificant, contributes to the overall harmony and ambience of the home. Let's begin with the foundation of any well-appointed interior: furniture selection. In curating the perfect ensemble of furnishings, it's essential to strike a balance between style and functionality. Opt for pieces that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the space but also cater to the practical needs of daily life. Whether it's a sumptuously upholstered sofa or a sleek dining table, every piece should serve a purpose while seamlessly integrating into the Mediterranean-inspired decor scheme. When it comes to materials, the choice is paramount in capturing the essence of Mediterranean design. Embrace the natural beauty of materials like wood and wrought iron, whose rich textures and earthy tones infuse the space with warmth and character. From intricately carved wooden accents to elegantly wrought iron fixtures, these elements add depth and dimension to the interior, evoking a sense of timeless elegance and rustic charm. As for color palette selection, draw inspiration from the sun-drenched landscapes and azure waters of the Mediterranean coast. Embrace a rich tapestry of earthy tones and vibrant hues, from warm terracottas and sun-kissed yellows to deep blues and verdant greens. These colors not only evoke the natural beauty of the region but also imbue the space with a sense of warmth, vitality, and Mediterranean allure. Finally, lighting serves as the proverbial cherry on top, enhancing the ambience and mood of the space. Incorporate a mix of natural and artificial light sources to create layers of illumination that highlight architectural features and accentuate the beauty of the decor. From strategically placed pendant lights to soft ambient lighting, each fixture plays a crucial role in shaping the atmosphere of the home, infusing it with a sense of warmth, intimacy, and Mediterranean-inspired charm. In essence, achieving the perfect Mediterranean-inspired interior is a labor of love that requires a keen eye for detail and a deep appreciation for the timeless beauty of the region. By carefully curating every aspect of the design, from furniture selection to color palette and lighting, you can create a space that not only reflects your personal style but also transports you to a sun-soaked paradise where relaxation and rejuvenation await at every turn. The advantages of integrating such a meticulously crafted design into our daily lives extend far beyond mere aesthetics. It's about creating a living environment that not only appeals to the senses but also nurtures our overall well-being on a profound level. By meticulously optimizing the garden space and carefully preserving traditional elements such as pathways and old rooms, we craft more than just a house, we create a sanctuary, a haven where the soul finds solace and the spirit finds renewal. Imagine stepping into this Mediterranean-inspired abode, where every corner exudes a sense of tranquility and harmony. The carefully curated layout not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the space but also facilitates ease of movement and accessibility. Every room flows seamlessly into the next, creating an organic rhythm that promotes a sense of connectivity and cohesion throughout the home. But the true magic lies in the integration of indoor and outdoor living spaces, blurring the boundaries between the two and inviting nature to become an integral part of our daily lives. As we step out onto the veranda, we're greeted by the gentle rustle of leaves and the soothing sounds of birdsong, transporting us to a realm of serenity and calm. Here, amidst the lush greenery and fragrant blooms, we find respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life, allowing ourselves to reconnect with the natural world and rediscover a sense of inner peace. Moreover, this seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living spaces encourages us to embrace a more relaxed and leisurely lifestyle, where moments of spontaneity and connection with loved ones abound. Whether it's enjoying a leisurely meal al fresco or simply lounging in the garden with a good book, these simple pleasures remind us to slow down and savor the beauty of the present moment. In essence, the benefits of incorporating such a design into our lives are immeasurable. It's about more than just creating a visually stunning space, it's about fostering a deeper connection with ourselves, our loved ones, and the natural world around us. So let us embrace the beauty of Mediterranean-inspired living and allow it to infuse our daily lives with a sense of joy, harmony, and boundless possibility. As our video journey comes to a close, we invite you to hit the like button and share this video if you found it inspiring. Join us in celebrating the timeless beauty and thoughtful design of small Mediterranean houses with verandas, and discover how these spaces can enrich our lives in countless ways. Thank you for joining us on this immersive exploration, and until next time, may your homes be filled with warmth, joy, and Mediterranean charm.